Welcome to Sage Earth Carbon Accounting, a simple, science-based way for small businesses to measure and manage their carbon footprint. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to set up your business, connect your accounting platform, and add the activity data that powers your footprint. When you first log in, you'll complete the Welcome form. The information in this form is used to generate your industry average footprint, a benchmark that helps you compare your business emissions with others of a similar size and sector. Select your industry and sub-industry, enter your financial year start date, and add revenue for a completed year. These details don't affect your business footprint, they're only used for comparison. Once you've completed the Welcome form, select Submit to continue to your industry average footprint. Emissions are shown in kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent, or CO2e, the standard unit used to compare greenhouse gases. Your industry average is broken down by scope and subscope. As you start adding your own data, your footprint will appear in the same format, making it easy to compare. Connecting your accounting platform is the fastest way to build your footprint. Once connected, your spend data syncs automatically and updates daily. Sage AI analyzes each transaction and suggests a category where possible. Once the spend is categorized, Carbon Accounting applies the relevant emissions factor to convert spend data into kilograms of CO2e. You'll be able to confirm the AI-suggested category or edit this where it's incorrect. Sage Accounting Standard or Plus can be connected to Sage Earth Carbon Accounting. If you use Xero or QuickBooks, chat with us to discuss your setup. If you use Sage Accounting Start or another platform, you can skip ahead to modules to see how to add data manually. Select Start Integration and choose your platform. Choose a sync start date, ideally the beginning of your financial year. Sign in with an administrator-level account for your accounting platform and approve access. Once done, return to our platform and select your company. Integration time depends on how many transactions you're syncing. Most complete within a few minutes. While the integration runs, the transactions and module sections will be temporarily locked. They'll unlock automatically once the sync is complete. Once synced, your transactions appear in the transaction screen across 3 tabs: to categorize, to review, and confirmed. Start into Categorize. These are transactions the AI couldn't categorize, or where a more specific category is available. Select Edit, choose the correct category, and confirm. Browse through the modules or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. You can filter by date, supplier, or category, or edit transactions in bulk to save time. Once you're happy with your choice, confirm the category and move straight on to the next transaction. In To Review, check transactions that were automatically categorized. Confirm the category if it's correct, or edit if it's incorrect. Fully categorized transactions move to Confirmed, where they can still be updated at any time. Some transactions don't represent emissions at all, such as wages or taxes. These should be given an exclusion category. Excluded transactions are intentionally left out of your footprint, as they're a type of spend which doesn't directly cause emissions. Once your transactions have been reviewed and categorized, you're ready to add activity data in modules. Modules are where you add activity data for emissions that aren't fully captured by spend alone. If your accounting platform is connected, your spend data is already included. You only need to add usage data. such as kilowatt hours of electricity or litres of fuel. If you haven't connected a platform, you can add both spend and usage data here. Usage data gives you a more accurate footprint than spend. To start, go to Modules, choose a financial year and quarter, then select Add Data. If the activity doesn't apply to your business, select I don't have these emissions. Otherwise, select Get Started to enter data. If your accounting platform is connected and both spend and usage data are present for the same module and quarter, usage automatically replaces spend, so emissions aren't counted twice. Enter the required details and continue selecting Add New Entry until you've recorded all activity for that module. Repeat this process for each module. The footprint page gives you a complete view of your emissions. See total emissions, explore a breakdown by scope or module, or filter by financial year or quarter to track progress over time. You can also compare your footprint to your industry average. To keep your footprint accurate, review new transactions regularly and keep your modules up to date. After setting up carbon accounting, integrating your accounts, and completing your first modules, your business activity data becomes a powerful starting point for real climate action. If you need support, head to the Help Centre. You'll find clear step-by-step guides and practical advice from our climate experts. You can also get instant answers from our AI chatbot or reach out to our support team for guidance.